how to set up shipping for Pokemon on Whatnot. So this actually involves creating tailored shipping profiles in the Seller Hub, generally differentiating between the low value cards, or single envelopes, or like high value bulk items. So I would suggest you to use like a digital scale to accurately weigh the items and to set up the weight based profile. So what we're going to do, go to your Whatnot, log into your Whatnot account. So once you're on your Whatnot account here, so now what we're going to do is go and click on your profile on your top right there, go to your profile, and from there what we're going to do is you're going to go and scroll down and select Seller Hub. Open up your Seller Hub. So go to your Seller Hub, and then once you're on your Seller Hub here, on your left side menu here, you will see an option called shipping. So click on the shipping to expand it, and from there you will see shipping profiles, because we're going to create profiles specifically weight and package dimension based profiles. So click on it. So once you click on it, you will get to this screen here, so where you can see all your shipping profiles. At the moment I don't have any, but to create one you can simply click on create shipping profile. So just click on it and this will open up the shipping profile details here where we're going to create it. So all you have to do is plug in the details, the name, so in this case Pokemon, whatever related to, and here the weight and the scale. So make sure, try to be accurate, use a digital scale, okay, and try to add in the weight and weights and dimensions of these based on your Pokemon cards or bundles that you are going to ship. So do that. Once you are done with that, okay, so especially for 1 to 5 cards, which is, it's best for like under $20 or something for 1 to 5 cards. If you are using if it's a single or a bulk one, then you can also use, like, you can set up for bulk as well depending on the weight as well. So based on your preference, set that up. Once you're done with that, hit on publish, and that's it. Your shipping profile will be created, which you can specifically use for your Pokemon's shippings, and that's how you do it.